First, Shift A, add a circle. Press RX90 to rotate it. Now, Alt right click, extrude and scale it, merge at center. Then, you have to select these points and scale them, add solidify and subdivision modifier. Scale them little bit more, apply this modifier again and add subdivision. Add a cube and add the subdivision modifier twice. Scale and shade smooth, select these faces and delete them. Then delete half faces and add a mirror modifier. Now grab the points and make a mouth shape. Now extrude these points, scale and fill them. Finalize the shape by proportional editing. Add a sphere, scale and move it here. Duplicate the eye. Scale, grab and rotate it like this. At last, mirror both of them. So guys, if you like my videos, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.